Hello and welcome back. Today's look is giving 2023 navy and champagne wedding theme. Lol. Priming my eyes with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud. Today I'm using the Per Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette and starting out with photo op through the crease and outer corner. This is a warmer mid-tone brown. You don't see a lot of it in the finished look, but it's needed for transitioning the darker and lighter colors. Adding more depth and making sure the eyes are even. Going in the outer corner with the metallic navy shade in Electric. I'm creating the shape I want with the brush. I knew I wanted to use navy and champagne, so I googled some color palettes and it was just all wedding inspo pictures and a few actual color palette cards. This blue is so buttery and metallic. I love this palette. All of these metallics can go on sheer, or you can build them up really easily without wetting the shadow. Adding a little more depth. On the lid, I'm using the shade Pure Bliss and blending it a third of the way onto the navy for a smooth blend. This is definitely a shade that goes on better with your finger. I love how these colors look together. Touching up some of the brown shade in photo op. This warmth feels like it really pulls everything together and makes the look more cohesive. Highlighting the brow bone with the shade Euphoric. It's a lighter version of the lid shade. This shade was being a little stubborn with the looser density brush. I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Primer with Niacinamide. Concealing my under eyes and breakout scarring with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo concealer in Light Ivory. Mixing shades as usual, one's to dark and one's to light, gotta make it work. For my base, I'm doing a 50/50 mix of the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110 Ivory. I was always convinced I had to have a full coverage base, but thinning it out with the Halo Glow just makes it look so much smoother and less mask-like. Setting the cream products in place with the Coty Air Spun powder in translucent. Pressing in your powders instead of sweeping them on makes a huge difference in how smooth your skin looks. Bronzing with the Makeup Revolution x Fortnite Face Palette. Adding warmth back into the skin after basically erasing it all is so important. Otherwise, your face looks dimensionless. Using the Beauty in a Blinc Glow Getter Face Palette Blush in the shade Talented. Using my favorite loose highlighter, the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in shade Illuminati. Framing the outer 2/3 of the bottom lash line with the shade Electric and connecting it to the outer corner. Using Euphoric on the inner corner and inner third of the bottom lash line and blending it into the blue. Melting the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in shade Deep Brown. Setting the brows in place with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift Gel. Lining my eyes with the Tristique eyeliner in Santorini Black Sand. Finishing my eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash End Roll Mascara in black. Doing my go-to lip combo, we already know Lol. Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind Lip Liner in Mocha and Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick in Romantic Rose. This lipstick is almost gone. If they don't still make this shade, I'm writing. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.